हाय गाइस, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं आजकल कोरोना वायरस फैला हुआ है, जिसकी वजह से हम सभी एक तरह से एक लॉकडाउन में हैं, एक सेल्फ आइसोलेशन में हैं. So I think it's a good opportunity for you to pursue what you have been wanting to do since a long time, or take up some hobby. So मेरी hobby है खाना बनाना. So I think I would want to make some special recipes for my family and especially for my son during this time. So as you all must be knowing, I have this recipe website called IndianCurryShack.com. So a lot of our readers in Indian Curry Shack have requested that, Anugya, why don't you come up with some video recipes? So I think it's quite interesting and a good idea. So I think I'm going to take this forward, and I'm going to start with some kid-friendly recipes. I hope you guys like it. The first one is banana pancake. So these are the ingredients for banana pancake: plain flour, baking powder, milk, olive oil or vegetable oil, sugar with a pinch of salt, 1 egg and 2 ripe bananas. So let's get started. Put 2 bananas, and the best way to mash them is by using a fork. Okay, this is good enough. Let's put the milk, olive oil, egg. Nicely mashed. Now we're going to do the mixing of some of the dry ingredients, and then once again we're going to come back to this. The plain flour, baking powder, sugar with a pinch of salt, the mix of that. Putting vanilla essence or cinnamon powder is completely optional. So I'm going to add maybe just a bit of cinnamon powder just for that added flavor. A little bit of very little vanilla essence. This you can mix with the wet ingredients as well, so that's completely fine. Okay, so it's time to put this in our wet ingredients. Just mix them. Let's start with a drizzle of oil, just a drizzle. Then we are going to put our batter. One or 1.5 spoon. And just make it a circle. So we want to cook it on a low flame so that it gives a nice color and it's nicely cooked from inside. Just pick it up nicely from the edges. You can use the pan that you use to make other pancakes or dosas, because this has a tendency to stick slightly. So if it's non-stick, it'll just be very smooth. Let's turn it. Whoa, it's got a good color. And it's a fluffy pancake. And the good thing is that you're doing it from the scratch. And when you do it from the scratch, you know what's inside. There are no preservatives, no anything that you don't want to have, don't want your kids to have. Pancake is almost done. And now it's the time to plate it. Just take it out on a plate. Okay, so now it's the time to plate our pancake. We have some bananas and the blueberries. Just throw them. Chocolate chips and some almond. Top it up with some honey. So you got nutrition and taste in one plate. Voila! Banana pancake is ready to be served. Cheers. See you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and comment on this recipe, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll be back with some more interesting recipes very soon. See you.